somebody you'd like to invite?
I have an idea.
A dinner party?
It's tomorrow night, so if you could just keep Julie an extra day.
Fine, but that's all. Brandy and I leave Sunday for a week up at the cabin.
What cabin?
Brandy wanted someplace where we could get away. Escrow just closed yesterday.
You can afford a cabin, but you can't scrape up child support?
Check is in the mail.
No, it's not. Excuse me, Brandy. Do you mind?
Oh, okay.
Wait, Susan, you're right there. You can pick it up.
I could, but she's the one who threw it.
Come on, don't be petulant. Just pick up the stupid can.
No, I can pick it up. Honey, stay out of this.
Fine. This is so typical.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was that petulant too?
You know what? You pick up the damn can yourself.
Yeah, well, you just go to hell.
You want me to pick it up?